In Domus Cad, each type of element has a default color for lines and one for areas. When nothing is selected, the chosen color is set as default color for the current type of element. Nothing is selected. Choose fill and color for the area of a polygon. Drop a new polygon with the default color. Change the default color for the fill of the polygons. Draw a new polygon. If nothing is selected, the inspector panel shows the default color for new polygons. If something is selected, the panel shows the color of the element. A new polygon is introduced with the default color of the element, not with the color of the selected color, shown in the panel. We repeat everything with the colors of the lines. Check that nothing is selected and set the default color and thickness of lines. In this case, red and 2. Change the default color and draw a new line. Select a line and change the color of the line. A new line is drawn with the default color chosen before, not with the shown color of the selected line.